Today we'll solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 8x minus 20 equals 0 by completing the square. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's move the constant term to the right side of the equation. Add 20 to both sides to get x squared minus 8x equals 20. Now, to complete the square, we need to create a perfect square trinomial on the left side. To do this, we take half of the coefficient of x, which is negative 8 divided by 2, equals negative 4. Then square this number. Negative 4 squared equals 16. Let's visualize why this works with an area model. The term x squared represents a square with side, length x. The term negative 8x represents two rectangles, each with width x and height negative 4. To complete the square, we need to add a smaller square with side, length negative 4, which has area 16. We add 16 to both sides of the equation to maintain equality. This gives us x squared minus 8x plus 16 equals 36. The left side is now a perfect square trinomial that can be factored as x minus 4 squared. To solve for x, we take the square root of both sides. Remember, when we take the square root, we get plus or minus 6. Therefore, x minus 4 equals plus or minus 6. Finally, add 4 to both sides to isolate x. This gives us x equals 10 or negative 2. These are our solutions. Let's verify our solutions by graphing the quadratic function. The parabola crosses the x-axis at negative 2 and 10, which confirms our solutions. In summary, we solve the quadratic equation by completing the square. First moving the constant term, then creating a perfect square trinomial by adding the square of half the coefficient of x, and finally solving for x by taking the square root of both sides.